Spyder Auto's LED taillight installation guide for the Chevy Suburban. Before we get started, you'll need a Phillips screwdriver. Start by opening the tailgate. Remove the 2 Phillips screws securing the tail light. Unseat the tail light. Then disconnect the main taillight harness hidden in the bumper. Feed the harness out and remove the tail light. Feed in the Spyder taillight harness. Reconnect the main taillight harness. Seat the Spyder taillight. Then reinstall the 2 Phillips screws that secure the tail light. Now close the tailgate and you're done. Congratulations, you fitted your Suburban with LED taillights from Spyder Auto.